Hello viewers, welcome to Khalajan's kitchen. I'm Farhanda and today I'm making a snack made with fried lentils. It's very addictive and this snack has replaced potato chips in our house. To make the snack, I'm taking 4 cups of lentils. You can reduce or increase the amount. Besides the lentils, all we need is 6 to 8 cups of water to soak the lentils in and 2 to 3 cups of oil to fry. And 1.5 teaspoon of the chaat masala. If you don't have the chaat masala, I'm going to add the link for the recipe. I soaked them in water overnight and as you can see they have doubled in size and they've also softened, and if I press them they should break in half, and that is exactly how I need them. I drained the extra water and then I'm going to pat them dry. To do that, I have placed a towel underneath the paper towel and then laid the lentils on top of the paper towel, and I will also cover it with the paper towel so that all the extra moisture is absorbed. Now it's time to fry the lentils. I have placed the pan on high heat and added about 3.5 cups of oil in it. It has taken about 3 minutes for the oil to come to very high temperature, and we need the oil to be smoking hot. Make sure the level of the oil does not exceed the half mark of the pan. This is very important as there is still lots of moisture in the lentils, and as we add them to the hot oil, it will bubble and spill out of the pan. I'm frying the lentils in batches. Same problem, if we add too much, the oil will bubble and spill out of the pan. After adding the lentils, as you can see, the oil is bubbling. I will stir the lentils until all the bubbles have subsided and lentils start to float. As the lentils are cooking, the bubbles are subsiding and it is started to rise to the top, and now as you can see it is completely risen, the bubbles are gone and the lentils are ready. As soon as the lentils rise to the top, I'm going to take them out. We don't want to cook them more than that, otherwise they will become hard. I will take them out and put them in a strainer so that the extra oil drains out. And then I will start with the next batch. After frying all the lentils, I'm going to transfer them to a paper towel lined bowl to get the rest of the oil out. Now I will add 1.5 teaspoon of the chaat masala. If you wish, you can increase or decrease the amount depending how spicy you want. I'm adding the link to the recipe for the chaat masala. Last step after adding the chaat masala is to toss the lentils. And now our spicy and tangy snack is ready. If you liked the recipe and the video, give it a thumbs up and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon button. By pressing the bell icon button, you'll get notifications for my upcoming recipes. Enjoy!